Navigate to Preventive Maintenance and click on Create Schedule. You can see fields region, sub-region, property, space or floor, type, subtype, priority, and describe. Sections like who is requesting this schedule, inspection, watchers, internal information, and other options are also available. The requester section is auto-filled but editable. You can click the back or reset button if required. Enter all required details, then click Next to proceed. It will redirect to the sub-schedule creation page. You can enter the schedule name, start and finish time, number of days, and select the recurrence pattern. You can also choose a color using the color picker. Assign to and notification rule are visible and editable. You can configure options such as exclude weekends and set the notification rule. Scroll down to view sections like inspection, procedure, and miscellaneous schedule details. And enter the comment. Finally, click the Update button to save the schedule. After successful update, the system will redirect you to the schedule list page.